This is the Despicable Me Tonie. It runs for an astounding 116 minutes, by far, almost double the longest Tonie play length that I've ever reviewed to date. It does not include the song Happy by Pharrell Williams, which so famously defined the film Despicable Me. Character shape is of the Minions. Although this came out before the Minions were the Minions, this is the Despicable Me narrated story read by Tim Curry, who does the narration and all the voice actors.
"Do not cross the line," another security guard yells. The Egyptian security guards chase after Justin.
So you won't hear the voice actors from the films, but you will hear a traditionally narrated audio story.
The thing is, Gru doesn't have a regular job like other people. He's a professional villain. He is about to turn on the TV when, ding dong, Gru sighs. "Oh, hello, Fred," Gru says, opening the door. "Hey, Gru," replies Mr. McDade.
The Minion itself is full of character and very fun to play with and look at, so I've been told. This Tonie's available around $17.99, just like all the other Tonies. You can get them pretty much everywhere now. Walmart, Kohl's, Target, etc. I'll put a link below to this Tonie, and if you wanted to use that link to purchase it, that would be great and would help support the channel to make more videos like this. And be sure to stick with us, because in 2025 our goal is to review 25 new Tonies. 25 and 25. So if you like this video, please share it with someone, hit the like button or hit the bell to subscribe, and thanks again for watching.